I'm just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a maze and love is a riddle. I don't know where to go, can't do it alone. I've tried and I don't know why.
Let me change your mind. Wherever you go, wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is.
Hello guys, it's me, Kuya West, and it's my first mini vlog. And welcome to a day in my life as a UP Tacloban student, Tagay Sangkay Edition. Hi guys! Hey, white boy. As you can see, we are preparing for our booth with a theme, Tagay ha Isla o Tabing Dagat. So it's a makeshift bahay kubo promoting island alcohol culture in cottages with friends or family through social bonding and strengthening relationships. Technically, kinam lang namin tong booth design namin pero na-amaze naman yung professor namin on how we became resourceful sa mga materials and preparation plus yung vibe ng cottage ay na-achieve naman. Of course, yung mga timpla and ideas are galing from my experience as someone na mahilig uminom sa Calbayog City way back in high school. Chos! Pero honestly, I am just proud of my group and happy to have worked with them in this event. We must work hard in becoming entrepreneurs in this event while sticking to our promotion of cultural experience kasi midterm examination namin to sa Philippine Arts and Culture 1 this second semester. And yep, di magpapahuli si Kuya West pagdating sa pagtimpla ng mga alak. Diyos! In Tagay Sangkay, we not only learn how to be culturally aware, but we also learn how to become responsible business people that will help us in real-life scenarios in the future.
Shoutout sa mga kabataan dyan! Manong ulam!
Diyos! 1, 2, 3. Cheers! As everybody knows, UP has a very unique culture where students enjoy freedom, not just in clothing, but also in thought, expression, and individuality. And in UP Tacloban, we celebrate Tagay Sangkay. It is an international food and wine festival and an annual event done in celebration of the National Arts Month. Tagay Sangkay features a bazaar of local food and drinks from different cultural communities, both locally and internationally. Tagay Sangkay also showcases the significance of our food heritage in cultivating our shared Filipino identity and invites discourse on art and culture through social interaction and experience. As Waraynons, alcohol is deeply embedded in our culture, from celebrating life beginnings to honoring the memories of those who have passed. But beyond simply getting drunk, we should also appreciate the beauty of how it brings people together, strengthens bonds, and fosters meaningful conversation. It's not just about the drink itself, but the connections we build and the stories we share over every toast.
Tagay, aton ihahalad hatun aton kalibungan, upod na ang mga elemento na diri kinikita.
In Tagay Sangkay, we also honor the unseen, the spirits that dwell among us and within us. That is why in this ritual, our first toast, whether with tuba, gin, or any alcohol, is always offered to the deities as a gesture of respect and reverence. It is more than just a drink, it is a sacred act of acknowledging forces beyond us, paying tribute to our ancestors, and keeping our traditions alive with every drop we share. And yep, ito na naman ako. As someone who promised na magiging low-key na this 2025, Sino ba naman ako para tumanggi na makasayaw yung 3 respected individuals from veteran professors in the field of arts and literature and special guests. Good thing na lang at nare-remember ko pa yung steps ko sa Kurat sa Mayor way back in high school. Thank you so much, Calbayog City National High School.
Kuya Wen, ano po ba yung ino-offer nyo sa booth nyo?
So, limahan po, kaya kami nila ng minsan, may free ako. So, kanina, pwede na po afternoon.
And yep, paldo-paldo na naman kami kasi maraming benta and na-reach na yung quota namin. Kaya isi-share na natin ang blessings at ipapa-free na lahat bago mag-close yung event.
Alright. Okay, cheers! 1, 2, 3, go! Cheers!
I am just thankful for this team kasi di magiging successful yung booth namin without everybody's effort and sacrifices. The event was success, wala nang midterms. Yay! So yun, that's it for today. Hanggang dito na lang muna yung vlog natin. See you next video. This is your Kuya West from Western Samar. Peace out!